Sometimes I'm asked to speak at university settings, and I'll say something like this.
Včasih me prosijo, da govorim na univerzah in ponavadi odgovorim takole.
I challenge you to find one argument against God in the great atheists, historically, people like Voltaire, David Hume, Bertrand Russell.
Torej, pokažite mi vprašanje, ki so ga zastavljali ateistični pisci Voltaire, Russell in drugi v preteklosti.
Or in modern atheists like Christopher Hitchens and Richard Dawkins.
Ali pa v moderni ateisti, kot sta Hitchens in Dawkins.
I challenge you to find one argument that they use against God that's not already included in the Bible.
Torej, najdite mi en argument proti Bogu, ki ga svetopismo že ne vključuje.
In books like Job and Lamentations and Jeremiah and the Psalms.
Torej, v knjigah, kot so Job, žalostinke, psalmi.
And I, for one, respect a God who not only gives us the freedom to reject him,
In jaz spoštujem Boga, ki ne da nam sam daje svobodno voljo, da ga zavrnemo,
but includes the very words that we can use in sacred scripture.
ampak nam da celo besede, s katerimi to lahko naredimo v Svetem pismu.
God is invisible, and unless he were visible, it would be unusual not to have doubts now and then.
In Bog je neviden, in če bi bil, ker ni viden, potem ni nič čudnega, da imamo dvome vsake toliko časa.
I certainly have.
Seveda, jaz jih imam tudi.
And like anybody else, I would say study it directly. Study the life of Jesus.
In kot bi drugim rekel, pač preučujte ga, preučujte življenje Jezusa.
Follow around some Christians who claim to be different than other people and see if that's true.
Torej, preživi čas s tistimi, ki pravijo, da so kristjani in so resnično drugačni od drugih in preveri, če je to res.
And if you choose against God, don't just move away from something, move towards something. Decide what you're moving toward.
In če se premikaš proč od Boga, potem se vsaj odloči, proti čemu se boš premaknil.
A lot of the classic atheists find out that without God, they end up in a state of despair and meaninglessness.
Veliko ateistov vidijo, da ko se odmaknejo proč od Boga, pridejo v stanje depresije, neželje po obstoju.
So just be sure what you're moving toward before you make a final decision about God.
Torej, preden se dokončno odločiš o Bogu, vsaj prepričaj se, proti čemer se boš premikal.